We're gonna do a Thai-inspired chicken. Since we can't travel to Thailand, let's bring Thailand to us. I think it's like around 8 Celsius, so still needs to have some clothes on, but there's no excuse to have a good barbecue. And welcome inside everyone to my barbecue area. This is a perfect recipe. You can marinate this chicken for 24 hours, but you can also marinate it for 30 minutes. It doesn't really matter that much. Really one of my go-to barbecue dishes. Gives a great result every time. Juicy, nice barbecue Thai chicken. And my preferred way to get the charcoal grill going is to use my chimney starter. Quickly get a really nice heat. And only mouth breathers barbecue with white chicken meat, so I'm using chicken thigh with the skin on. This is all the ingredients you need. It's pretty straightforward ingredients. I'm using here a sweet, thick soy sauce. And of course, using a Thai recipe, don't forget the fish sauce. Ginger and garlic are also the key components. And also some coriander, lime, canola oil, and some sambal oil. You can use a spicy one or a less spicy one. It's your choice. I'm using here a sweet soy because it gives a little bit of caramelization effect. If you don't have one, use regular soy and add a little bit of sugar. I'm using here around 5 tablespoons of fish sauce and a big spoon of sambal oil. Here again, if you want less spicy, add less. There are different variations on sambal oil, so check with your Asian store. The coriander plays a key part, but put that aside for now. Drizzle some canola oil on top and massage 1 or 2 limes. This helps to give a nice kick to the whole dish, but also tenderizes the chicken a bit. And I forgot to show you, but we're using some regular soy as well, in this case kikkoman. But any thin soy would do. I'm using here a garlic press after I peel my ginger, and this creates a nice ginger paste, and this way you make sure that you have ginger smeared all over your chicken. That's the way it should be. Make sure to be outside though, it gets a little bit messy. Press the garlic as well, and after that give everything a good stir. Place it in a plastic bag. This way you make sure that all the marinade gets incorporated on all the chicken thighs. And give that bad boy a good massage to make sure that you get the garlic and the ginger and the sambal pretty much everywhere. After that is done, place that in the fridge, preferably for 24 hours. As I said earlier, it can be good after only, 30 minutes. So yeah, do what you have time for. After your starter is glowing of heat, distribute all the coals. I like to put it on one side, so I have a possibility to have a low heat and a high heat. That makes it much easier to control the heating. Place the grill directly and let it be there for a few minutes. We want to clean it off after all the dirtiness has burned away, but also we want to have the metal really hot to create some nice searing marks. And for God's sake, don't waste away any of the marinade. We're going to use it now to create a nice glaze using the coriander we saved on the side as well. By saving the coriander, put it in now. In my opinion, you get a more floral, nice coriander taste than if you put it in the marinade directly. You will end up pretty much just burning all of the coriander. And if you're one of those persons who don't like coriander, well, call the ambulance, or you can use holy Thai basil as well. But coriander is really a key component in this dish, so please don't skip it. Keep on stirring the sauce all the way so it doesn't burn, and also so it starts reducing. You want to create a more thicker glaze to brush the chicken thighs with soon. Keep on also flipping the chicken thighs pretty much when you feel needed, and put them on the more low heat if they get too hot. I like to close the lid on midway so you get a nice smoky flavor to the whole barbecue chicken. And also just before the glazing, I like to put it closer to the hot surface so you get a nice almost charred skin. After the charred skin, yep, you guessed it, is brushing time. And make sure to save some for the other side as well. We're gonna barbecue it now until we feel it's ready, and then one flip, and then we're gonna do it one last final brush. This is one of the reasons why I really love this recipe. The spices really complement each other, and using chicken thigh, so you will end up with a really nice juicy chicken with a crispy skin on top. But also the marinade double as glaze, so you will end up having a sweet, caramelized, beautiful marinade on top of the chicken. When you feel the chicken is almost ready, put it on the lowest heat possible, close the lid to get a nice barbecue smoky flavor to the whole chicken. And if you want to go as authentic as possible with this Thai chicken, serve this alongside with a som tam, green papaya salad. I'll be posting a video of this shortly, but the original version enough is to serve this alongside with some white rice and also some sliced cucumber. And don't get me wrong here, I love my sauce to my barbecue, but in this recipe, don't really need it. The chicken is so juicy and the marinade and the glaze has flavors and packed with flavors. I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned something, or maybe got inspired to do some more barbecuing. Hit that like button, subscribe button, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.